at the moment I'm just walking to St. James Park. What I'm going to do is I'll just explore this part of London. It's quite a beautiful place actually. And then just next to me here, this is the Ritz, the Ritz London. So what I'll do is I'll cross the road, then I'll show you guys this part of London. Right, it's pretty amazing there actually, pretty amazing. So let's explore, let's enjoy this beautiful view of London, right? The weather is looking amazing today, so I'm just going to cross the road now. Yeah. So at the moment I'm just getting a drink, but I need approval because in the UK you have to make sure you get approval before you buy alcohol. So just from here I'm just going to Hyde Park, show you guys St. Park. Yeah, I've been approved. You can hear that? I've been approved. So I can fetch my drink and pay for the drink. Then we can probably have a drink in the room. So this, what I'm going to do is I'll just vlog around probably a minute or two, and then I'll take you guys to the park, and then we can wrap up from there. And then yeah, I just want to show you guys how London looked like today. London look amazing today, and we've been here for more than 2 days now. We came to celebrate my birthday and also celebrate our anniversary, and we also did a video for our channel, which I'll probably put on a video. So if you want to follow us, subscribe to our channel. We're going to show you some amazing travel content. So I'm just in London at the moment. I'm waiting to cross the road. In front of me there, that's the beautiful Ritz, which you'll probably see the video. And there's the Ritz, the famous Ritz. So I'm just going to cross the road now, and then I'll show you guys this St. James Park, and then I can wrap up the video from there. Beautiful place. I think where I am right now, I think it's Mayfair, Mayfair, London. That's where I am right now. And that's the hop on, hop off. So if you hop on and on the bus, you can just jump off. And probably it's actually good if you just here for somebody's recording as well. So it's pretty amazing, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cross the road, and then I'll show you guys how the park look like. Then from there we can wrap it up. Yeah. Right, so I'm just going to cross, take you guys to the park, show you guys how lovely this park look like. Then we can wrap up the video. What I would like you to do is please do subscribe to my channel, and also if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, please do like the video, comment, share the video, and let us know where you're watching from. What I'll do now is I'm just going to walk a little bit to see if I could get to the park. I think I'll probably have to go downstairs to show you the park. Right, so the park is down there. We just need to go downstairs, I guess. Yeah, I think we have to go back. Through the other entrance to get to the park. Alright, so in front of me there, that's the entrance. That's what we're going to use. Beautiful car, right? Beautiful cars in London. Right, so I'm just heading to the park now, and then we can wrap up the video from here. So at the moment we're in Hyde Park. That's where we are right now. I'm just going to show you this beautiful park, because I think from here you can get to Buckingham Palace. Buckingham, you know where the Queen lives, yeah? Buckingham Palace, yeah. So let me just show you guys how this beautiful park look like. Then we can probably wrap the video, and then that's it. Very busy today, very busy. Right, I think I'm at the park now. It's quite busy. Beautiful place. A lot of people having a picnic here. So what I'm going to do is I'll just probably pan the camera to show you guys like a 60-degree view of this beautiful park. It's beautiful. It's quite a massive park. You know, I need to get back to the hotel, but I just thought since I'm here, I'll show you guys how beautiful this Hyde Park or St. James Park look like. Yeah, so what I'll do is I'll walk in to show you guys how the park look like. Sometimes it's good to explore a little bit, not just to stand there flipping the camera over. So let me just walk around so that I can see how the park look like, and I'll see if I can ask someone to tell us about this park, because I don't know much more history of the park. Beautiful park, right? Beautiful park. Somebody's doing that painting here. It's pretty cool. Beautiful park. And you know, I think the parking deck also got £2. Yeah, £2, £3. So if you're here, you wanna have a chair, the deck like this is £2 or £3. Yeah. So look, that's how much it costs. Right, so guys, that's it from me and from the team, and it's been a pleasure talking to you. Please do subscribe to our videos for more content like this. Thank you very much. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe there. You alright, mate? Good.